How does coastal humidity impact HVAC maintenance? Coastal humidity makes heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems work harder, corrode faster, and need more frequent cleaning and inspections. Moist ocean air can make indoor spaces feel warmer, so the air conditioner may run longer to remove both heat and moisture. Longer cycles can increase electricity use and place extra stress on the compressor, blower motor, and electrical parts. Salt carried in sea air is especially harmful because it speeds up corrosion on outdoor coils, screws, wiring connections, and metal cabinets. A less obvious problem is that a dirty or undersized air conditioner may cool the room without removing enough moisture, leaving it feeling clammy. Keep indoor humidity near 30 to 50% with a humidity meter, and use a properly sized dehumidifier if needed. Replace or clean the air filter regularly, because a blocked filter reduces airflow and can cause coils to become too cold, freeze, or drain poorly. Have a professional rinse the outdoor coil with fresh water when appropriate. Inspect corrosion and check the condensate drain before the humid season. Keep plants, sprinklers, and stored items away from the outdoor unit so salty moisture and restricted airflow do not make the damage worse. One common mistake is washing the outdoor coil with a harsh chemical or a pressure washer, which can bend delicate fins or damage protective coatings, so use gentle cleaning and follow the equipment instructions. Another mistake is assuming a lower thermostat setting will fix sticky indoor air, but it may only make the system run inefficiently, so check humidity and airflow instead. People also forget that coastal corrosion can affect electrical connections before a breakdown is visible, so schedule inspections and ask the technician to check terminals, wiring, and the condensate system specifically. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.